The nucleus is the brain of the cell. It stores the DNA and controls all functions within the cell. This is similar of how a computer stores information and controls other parts of the computer setup, like the speakers. The nucleolus is located in the nucleus. Its main function is to produce ribosomes, which will create proteins. This is similar to how Mitchell can create files on the computer.
The smooth endoplasmic reticulum's main functions are the synthesis of lipids, steroid hormones, and the detoxification of harmful metabolic byproducts within the cell. This is like how the program CCleaner detoxifies the computer by removing unwanted files. The rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes, packages, and transports proteins. This is like how Google Chrome packages and transports files from the internet onto the computer. This is demonstrated by Mitchell downloading a picture of beans from Google Chrome. The Golgi apparatus moves molecules from the endoplasmic reticulum to their final destination. This is similar to how email can be used to move a file from Mitchell's computer to a different computer. The mitochondria produces ATP through the process of cellular respiration. This ATP is used by the cell for energy. This is very similar to how the power outlet gives electricity to the computer. Chloroplast is found only in plant cells, and it uses photosynthesis to convert light energy into stored energy in the form of sugar that the plant uses as food. This is like how the power supply takes electricity from the power outlet and feeds it to the computer. Vacuoles are organelles which are used to store various substances such as food, water, or waste for later use by the cell. This is similar to how the hard drive stores all files on the computer, even the ones that aren't being used. Lysosomes digest large, complex molecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids through the use of hydrolytic enzymes. The recycling bin is like the lysosome of the computer. It is where all unwanted or deleted files go. The cytoskeleton is a network of filaments and tubules that extend throughout the cell. The cytoskeleton supports the cell and gives it its shape. The chair, as well as the desk, act as the cytoskeleton for Mitchell's computer setup, as they support both him and the computer.
My shorts came off.
Centrioles are minute cylindrical organelles that develop spindle fibers to aid in the cell division and help create new cells. On the computer, Amazon is a good example of a centriole, as it can be used to order a new computer.
The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the cell. It gives the cell structure and regulates the materials that enter and leave the cell. It is made of a phospholipid bilayer. In Mitchell's computer setup, objects around the computer act as a barrier, as Jacob regulates who enters and